Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. I have this question here. The circumference of a circle is 5 cm more than thrice its diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? So we know circumference is given by pi d, where d is diameter. So let's see, we are given that circumference of the circle is 5 cm more than thrice its diameter. So what we are given is pi d minus 5 is equal to 3d. This is given and we have to find the value of diameter. We are given pi equal to 22 by 7. So let's put it here, 22 by 7d minus 5 equal to 3d. So 22 by 7d minus 3d equal to 5. So what we have is 22d minus 21d divided by 7 equal to 5. Therefore what we have is d equal to 7 into 5 centimeters. So we have diameter equal to 35 centimeters. So this is the answer.